industry in place. So when we talk of apparel industry, government has funded Apparel Export Promotion Council to set up an apparel mart where all the famous exporters have their showrooms, which is located just near to Huda City Center metro station, and it is called Apparel Mart or APC House. So once you land in, for example, Sector 44, we have a landmark building. So we will come to that. This is our Director General, Dr. Dali Koshi, who has been 9 years Director with National Institute of Design, who is a PhD holder from IIT Delhi, and several awards he has won. He is the leader who headed NID, is now heading this institute. So this is going to lead you into altogether a very different environment which will support you in fashion industry. We've been ranked among top 3 fashion design management institutes of India. So once you are with us, because NIFT is there, then NID is there, and then IIM is there, Pearl and IIM are almost hand to hand together. So now what has happened, NIFT has opened up so many branches all over India that the focus on the student is kind of little deviating from the student. So what happens when you are with a single center and you take admission in an institute which is like that, then you will be more focused, and the faculties are able to put more attention to each student. So that is the advantage which you will be able to have under IIM. Okay. We have twice won National Education Leadership Award in 2013 and 14 because of our curriculum which has been framed by Dr. Ali Koshi and eminent personalities from education. I don't know if you can see, these are different programs under which you can have your career. So there is a retail and customer service, there is a sales and marketing where you can get into apparel industry, there is production and manufacturing where you can get into, then there is a design and pre-production where you can choose your career. So I can give you, if you will write down your email ID, I can post you. You can choose from such vast career options anything which suits you. You can fit your career into it. Okay, so apparel is a very vast field. Primarily, I'll just divide it into 4 sectors which will help you identify. Either you can get into design, you can get into the marketing, you can get into the manufacturing, or you can get into the merchandising. Okay, these are 4 different sectors, and production also happens to be one of them. So according to your caliber, see, some students are very good in design, in drawing. So they should opt for fashion design and lifestyle design. Okay, but if you think you have a caliber for marketing, you have that IQ into yourself that you can sell any garment, okay, or you can identify just by looking at the garment, okay, this garment is doing very well in the market, then you can find your career niche into the apparel sector, which is more towards retail and merchandising in apparel sector. Okay, but if you feel you are more technical and you are more keen into developing technology which will help manufacturing of garments, then you can look for a career which is more production oriented. Okay, so then we have another aspect of it, which is merchandising. Merchandising is majorly your communication skill. Okay, it will largely help you if you are a good communicator. You are like a link between foreign buyer and a manufacturer. So most of the buying houses and export houses would like to have you as a merchandiser if you have very good communication skills and you can, crack deals with the buyer, can impress them with your emailing and the language which you write. And if you are able to impress buyer to get certain orders, this can certainly give you a very good career in merchandiser. And I know a lot of my friends, the salary can go up to almost 30 to 40 lakh rupees package if you are into Reliance, if you are into, there are a lot of buying houses which are there, Impulse is there. So for a right, but not immediately after passing out, but after 5-6 years of experience, you can place yourself very well with a good pay package, which not even good MBAs are getting. But all this is only possible when you will be following what is your strength. Suppose my strength is design, and if I get into merchandising, that will not do justice to my career. So first you identify, either you are made for design, you are made for marketing, you are made for technology, or you are good for merchandising. So analyze, do some exercises with your own self and try to find out your talent, where your talent lies. Do you spend more time emailing? Do you spend more time looking at videos? Do you spend more time drawing at home? Or do you spend more time malling into the famous malls? So that will help you identify that what is my interest, and that will give you rise in your career. So do not try to attempt something which is forced onto you by your family. Try to find out career which is for you. So this is how it will help you. So this is our main campus. You can see that is our parent body, Apparel Export Promotion Council. It is a state-of-art campus. It is a centrally air-conditioned building, and we are located on 5th, 6th, 7th floors, and rest is all showrooms by famous export houses. Orient Craft is there, Pearl Global is there, Richa is there. All exporters are having their showrooms in this campus. So this is our main campus where you will be studying. This is broadly the program. We have degree programs, we have undergraduate programs which is offered in collaboration with Pearson. Then we have continuing education programs with industry, which is 1 year. So according to your present education scenario, assuming you are in class 12 and you want to pursue your career in degree, then I would suggest that you go for a degree programs offered by ATDC, RGNYD and IIM in a tripartite agreement, and that program will give you a Bachelor of Vocational Studies degree, and it is the most economical and reasonable price degree program. So you will be able to get a Bachelor of Vocational Studies degree in 3 years and spending only 2,01,000 rupees. So it's such a small amount of fee which can get you degree for you. Okay. Then we have a program with Pearson. This is a 3-year fashion and lifestyle degree program. So 3 years you will do it in India and 1 year you will do abroad. So students who are interested in career in UK after studying here, for them this will be the best career to opt for. Then we have industry link program, which is you will see down below. This is 1 year program. So if you have already graduated and you are looking to get into apparel sector, or let's say you want to work in a e-com, n-com industry, because everybody wants to work with Jabong or Flipkart. Nowadays, if you just open, the first thing which you see on the screen is only apparel. Apparel is the biggest dominating market in current scenario. Okay, so it can, just by doing a graduation, and if you top up your career with 1 year program in apparel, marketing, merchandising, fashion, retail merchandising or fashion design management, this will help you manage the e-commerce and m-commerce programs very well with you. So it can easily land you up with 20-25,000 rupees job, which is a very good start for any student in present scenario. So this is a brief detail of degree program. So this is a general overview. There will be idea generation. So I am not going to get into it. The eligibility is 10+2, and what you can become merchandiser, you can be fashion designer, a sampling manager or retail manager. First semester fee you can see is 33,500. So it's a very reasonable fee this year. Then we have apparel manufacturing and entrepreneurship. So can somebody tell me what is entrepreneurship? Now this word is very much nowadays focused by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Can anybody define for me entrepreneurship? What is entrepreneurship? What is entrepreneurship? Yes, please. Can you answer? Yeah. Entrepreneurship.
Now I understand entrepreneurship is something.
What is it?
With something into business. doing our own business and making.
Exactly, you're correct. You're shy. That's all.
No, actually, I was not sure about the answer. That's why I didn't reply.
No, it's good. See, you need confidence. Most of the people know the answers, but they are shy to speak in
No,
public.
I was not shy. I was not sure about the answer.
So it's okay. But see, largely fashion design and fashion link programs are linked with entrepreneurship. Meaning, just by studying this program, either you study it for 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year, or 4 year, you can set up your own business in a very small amount. And government of India gives you fund for that. You can start your own unit with one machine which only costs 12,000 rupees. If you go for any Chinese made automatic machines, and you have one tailor, you have you yourself as a designer, and one maybe just a person who does posting on all these e-commerce sites. I think nothing can be cheaper than this in terms of setting up your own business, and that is why this course links up with entrepreneurship. So if you understand manufacturing well and you combine it with your skill of setting up your own unit, this course will be boon for you, and you will be able to easily hit a turnover of 1 crore in a annual sales. Because earlier when I started my career in 98, the challenge before us was that we didn't have money to open showrooms, because that was a prime requirement to get into any kind of fashion design career. But today that thing has completely vanished. You can just do it on sitting on a third floor, beautifully, posting, making your garments, shooting them well, and putting it on any portal, and you can get hits from all over India. One day you can do a sale of even up to 5 lakh rupees without moving anywhere. You just have to tie up with a courier company, just have to pack it nicely, shoot it nicely, and you do not require anybody else to help you in that. So this course can help you achieve that. So that is why entrepreneurship, and first semester fee is 33,500. So this can also lead you to a very good growth for your career. These are our international programs which are linked with Pearson, which is a grading body under UK. So which is a point-based system for your education. Okay. So if you do this program for 3 years with IN, you can go anywhere abroad in Europe, and you are eligible to get job there. So this will help you get that. So this is largely a fashion and lifestyle design. So we are covering design process, pattern making, fashion, textile, material understanding, project design, implementation, craft documentation. These are the broad categories. Okay. And then these are the career opportunities where you can be a fashion designer, stylist, fashion entrepreneur, or e-commerce product developer. You can see its course fee is on a higher side since it is a UK-based program. So you have to pay almost 75,000 per semester. Then we have fashion production management, like you initially asked. If you are more inclined into manufacturing of a garment and you do not have that skill of drawing or creative, then you can get into production management. So what you have to do, you are supposed to do is just manage things designed by designers. So you have to get into making of the garment, tying up with production managers, merchandisers, getting the work done, getting it packed, talking with the couriers and the packers, and making it, reach to the buyers. Then these are our continuing education PG programs, where you can just do 1 year top-up program and you can enter into the sector of fashion. So these are also very reasonable programs. So apparel marketing and merchandising will give you an insight about how you can market any apparel and merchandise, handle the merchandise of it. So it's also per semester fee is 75,000. So randomly you will be spending approximately 1.5 lakhs a year, and you will have the diploma into your hand. Then fashion retail management. This also is for e-commerce and n-commerce. Then fashion design management will help you if you do a 1 year program and you want to, assuming assist Rohit Bal, Ritu Kumar into their boutique, or their design studios. So if you understand how to manage those designs done by them, then you can do this program. So these are our top recruiters. You can see that 38% of our placements is under Export House. Okay. So exporters are the major companies which visit us and hire most of our candidates, because it is the industry's best pay masters. They are touching turnover, some are touching even 50 crores, some are touching 500 crores. So they are able to give you that kind of a salary and growth which you look into any career. So they'll be able to help you. Then 38% we are looking into retail market, which is your now e-commerce giants, which can help you achieve growth in your career. Then 14% is buying house. Can anyone tell me what is the duty of a buying house here? What is buying house? If you do a apparel design course, then what these buying house are going to do in the industry? Do you have any idea? Okay, largely I'll just give you an insight into it. No problem, I'll explain it. See, largely apparel market is broadly divided into two categories. Okay, one is retail and one is export. Retail, when I talk about apparel sector, is basically a sector when we are dealing with all the apparel sales and manufacturing within India. Meaning you will be working for a company which does business only within India, whether it's Chennai, Kerala, J&K, but they will not go or do business outside India. Then it is called a retail market. So anybody talking about retail merchandising, then you have to clear in your mind that you will be working only for Indian market. Okay. But when I talk of export,